Hello everybody, welcome to Worlds.Worst.Entertainment. Thank you guys for watching. This is the second video of the new year. I'm maintaining my promise of making uploads. I can't say maintain my promise of doing daily uploads, but I'm maintaining my promise of doing an upload at least. So, second upload of January, I decided, let's do a cooking video. Why not? Worlds.Worst.Entertainment, I want to mix it up. So, what are we cooking today? We are going to cook a spice... Wait, I forgot the hot sauce. Okay, so we're just going to cook nacho dip tuna, okay? Tuna nacho dip, however way you want to play with it, but it's tuna nacho dip. The ingredients that you're going to need, 4 of these chunky light tunas. You can get them in a can. The ounces are 2.6 ounces, so I guess if you can get these in cans. I got 4 of these babies right here. 1, 2, 3... 4. I got 4 of these, so yeah, you're gonna need these. Very important. I just opened up this one, so I'm gonna start dumping that in the bowl. Alright, next ingredients we're gonna need mozzarella cheese, any type of cheese that you want to get. I got mozzarella. I also have a Mexican 4-cheese blend, and then we also have the delicious mac and cheese or whatever. Like I said, I like variety of cheeses in this. Next ingredient, oh, whoa, shook the camera there. Welcome to World's Worst Entertainment, guys. Camera's gonna shake sometimes. Yeah, so next ingredient that we have the pas? I apologize if I can't pronounce that, but we have our chunky salsa, good stuff. You can also get this any type of brand that you want, it really doesn't matter. And then we also have our red kidney beans. Yes, we have our Goya red kidney beans. Very good stuff. I'm going to need that for over here. I've already opened this because I put it on the plate because I don't have a big table. This is World's Worst Entertainment. If you guys want to know a little side information about me, I live in a room. I don't have an apartment. Working my way up there, folks. Living the American dream. Alright, so let's keep it moving right along. Next ingredients that we have on the list. I cut up some green peppers, yellow peppers, onions. Half a peppers, half an onion. Yeah. So, here's what you're going to need to do. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to empty all of these ingredients into a bowl. And, yeah, you're going to need to empty all these ingredients into a bowl. Okay. Oh, man. Once you do all of that, you can mix it all together. And, we'll go from there. So, empty all the ingredients into a bowl. This is not your Gordon Ramsay, folks. This is the opposite of Gordon Ramsay. World's worst kitchen, except it's in a bedroom with, like, no stove. I'm young, guys. Living here in New York sucks. Alright. So yeah, you're gonna need all of this stuff, right? Dump it all in there. There we go. Is there still some tuna left in that mug? Yeah, it's all empty. Okay, so once we have that all emptied, right? This is World's Worst Entertainment, guys. I tried to plan all of this out as much as I possibly can. This is quality entertainment, trust me. So yeah, you're gonna also need what we call forks, spoons, whatever. I just grabbed these as I forgot to grab them before. So yeah, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need those kidney beans I was telling you about. You're gonna dump these in there too. Yeah, but this is how we're doing. You gotta dump these in there too. God, this is a terrible video. World's Worst Entertainment. I love it. Don't you love YouTube? Okay, so I love this. Alright, so yeah, what you're gonna do is you're gonna dump all these ingredients in here. Okay, you're gonna dump all these ingredients. Oh shit. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, you're gonna dump all these ingredients in here. Okay, if you make a mess, that's fine. You can clean it up right afterwards, right? Cleaning up is a necessary thing. Look at that. We got an empty plate now, so we can actually put all the trash and stuff right there, and then I could clean it up later in part 2, which would be the same day. So, yeah, so once you have all those ingredients mixed, once you have all those ingredients in there, you're going to also want to put the salsa in there too. That's enough salsa, right? Yeah, that. Why am I asking you? I'm telling you how to cook this. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, you're going to want to put all that in there, mix it up. Mix it up like so. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You know, back when I was a kid, my mom used to show me Emerald. He used to be like, boom. I wonder if this is like the boom. I don't know. What? I'm talking way too much. But you guys please like and subscribe and let me know if you guys enjoy this video. I'm trying as hard as I can here. It's the pandemic of 2021. My audio is probably terrible too. I didn't test the audio. My first video, if you guys watched that, was Call of Duty. I had a fan running in the background. I bet you guys love that. Still uploaded the video though, because I didn't have time to re-record it. And the next time I was going to play, I was probably going to get crappy stats. So anyway, so here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to mix this all together, just like so. Once it's all mixed together really well, yeah, it's looking pretty good actually. I mean, I don't think my camera is doing any justice, but oh, if you guys hear anything in the background, I also have a podcast going on. I'm watching Binky Pound. Shout out to Binky Pound. Love his YouTube channel, After Prison Show. Love their YouTube channel. I doubt that they're going to see this video, but they did give me the inspiration to do a video like this, cooking videos and stuff. So anyway, once we have that mixed up, I am going to put a little bit more salsa in there. So I feel like we need more salsa. No? I feel like we need more salsa. Add all that money in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, then we're going to mix that around. Once you get finished mixing all this around, what you're next going to want to do is you're going to want to then start adding your cheese. Okay? Now, when we add the cheese, make sure you have your oven preheated to 475. That's the way I had my oven preheated to, 475. I am using a toaster oven, in case anybody's wondering. And, yeah, you're going to want to do that. Get it all situated out. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. That looks nice. That looks nice. And this is big, too. So this is great for, like, friends, if you have people over and stuff. I don't have any friends, really. But, yeah, this is great, you know. Yeah, if you have people coming over. Yeah, I don't know if that's too much cheese. Yeah, if you have people coming over and stuff like that, friends, family. I mean, it's the pandemic, so nobody's really coming over. So if you just want to be a fat ass and just eat this by yourself, which I'm probably not going to do because this is a lot of fucking food. This was only supposed to be for one person. I didn't measure it. Did I say I was a chef? No, I didn't. This was Worlds.Worst.Entertainment, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're adding cheese to this, right? That's what we're doing. We're adding cheese to this, guys. That's what we're doing. Trying to keep the old spirits up. Okay, add all the cheese that you want to it. All over the top. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. This is that. All jokes aside, if my camera was a better camera, I mean, I'm using my cell phone here. Welcome to Worlds.Worst.Entertainment for the millionth time. This actually looks pretty good. I mean, really, like, it really does look good. I'm actually getting hungry the more that I make this. I've never made this before. So, yeah, let's just put that out there. So, this is an adventure for all of us. Yeah, so once you have that made, I'm going to pop this in the oven, and during part 2 of this video, yeah, during part 2 of this video, you're gonna see the baked product. What I would recommend is put it in for about 10 minutes, see if that cheese is melted up or whatever. I want to get a little color on it, like a little brownish on top or whatever, because that lets me know that it's done, and it's also really good when it has that on there. And yeah, like I said, in part 2 I'm going to show you the finished product, and maybe I can even try to fit in also me eating it too. Maybe I'll do that in part 3. Yeah, I might do that in part 3 just to add up the videos or whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And yeah, World's Worst Entertainment 2021. I'll catch you guys later. Be safe. Love you.